In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Amazon products side by side. This is a fantastic way to make informed decisions and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Let's get right into it. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon.com. This is the world's largest online retailer, offering a staggering variety of products across many categories. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the usual array of deals and suggestions tailored to your interests. But before we go further, if you're not already signed in, you'll want to click on the sign in button usually found in the upper right hand corner of the page. Enter your login details to access your account. This step is crucial because being logged in provides a more personalized shopping experience, including easier access to orders, recommendations, and saved items. Once you're signed in, you should navigate back to the Amazon homepage. You can do this simply by clicking on the Amazon logo, which will redirect you there. Now that you're ready, use the search bar located at the top center of the page. This is where you can enter the details of the product you're interested in. For instance, let's say you're shopping for a new microphone for podcasting. Type in microphone for podcasting and hit enter. With your search results displayed, you'll notice that Amazon shows a wide range of products matching your query. Browse through these options until you find one that catches your eye. It's important to remember that choices can become overwhelming due to the number of products available. But don't worry, this is where the comparison tool becomes handy. Click on the product that interests you the most to open its detailed page. Once you're on the product's detail page, look out for a link titled Compare with Similar Items. This link is a gateway to discovering how your selected product stacks up against others in its category. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to a comparison chart. Here you'll see information like price, customer ratings, shipping details, and more, all laid out side by side for each product. This feature is invaluable as it allows you to weigh essential features and make a choice that best suits your needs. Remember that while comparing products, it's not just about the price but also customer reviews, warranty, and post-purchase support. All these pieces of information contribute to a more holistic understanding of what you're getting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily compare Amazon products side by side, saving time and ultimately ensuring you make a purchase that you feel confident about. Happy shopping!